Here are the notes and the dictation for la acentuación, for accentuation, the use of accents. Spanish vowels do not require a written accent if the word ends in one, N, S, or a vowel, and the stress falls on the next to last syllable. Dos, if any consonant other than N or S, if it ends in any consonant other than N or S, and the stress falls on the last syllable. A written accent is required on the stressed vowel of a word that does not follow these two rules. So, champú, it ends in a vowel, accent falls on the U. Después, it ends in ese, S, and the accent falls on the vowel in that last syllable. Again, both of these are applying rule number one. Habitación. Habitación. This has an accent over the final O. And again, this is applying rule number one. Béisbol. Accent over the initial A. Spanish A, English letter E. And that this is a word that does not follow either rule number one or rule number two. So the accent has to go on the vowel in the stressed syllable. In this case, the A. Fútbol. Another instance where we are not following either rule one or rule two. So the accent goes on the vowel in the first syllable. Sobre la U. The accent goes on the U, or English U. And finally, fácil. Fácil, the word that means easy. And again, the accent falls on the A, on the vowel in the first syllable of the word, and that is where the emphasis goes. So therefore, that is where the accent goes. Okay. Whenever you're ready, you may want to pause the recording at this point. You need to write the following sentences as I read them aloud. I'll say each one twice. The beauty of this being a recording. So I won't slow down to a ridiculous extent, and I won't say it repeated a number of times, but you can back up and replay this recording until you think you've heard enough. And then you need to write the sentences as I read them, including accents in the right place. In fact, that is the primary thing I am looking for. There are 4 sentences. Número 1. Me levanté tarde. Me levanté tarde. Sentence number 2. Oración número 2. No encontré el champú. No encontré el champú. There are 2 places in that sentence where you need an accent. Número 3. No encontré el jabón. No encontré el jabón. Again, there are 2 words in that sentence that need accents, and they need to be in the correct places. Finally, finalmente, número 4. Después de vestirme, voy a comprarlos. Después de vestirme, voy a comprarlos. There is only one word that needs an accent mark in that sentence. So that should be written out and it should be turned in. Do the first thing tomorrow morning. Buen día.